Barbie Forteza nataranta sa kissing scene with David Licauco. Barbie Forteza and David Licauco made Barda stans feel the kilig on the episode of Pulang Araw, but this behind-the-scenes tidbit makes the scene a whole lot sweeter. The latest episode of the historical series showed Hiroshi, David, visiting Adelina, Barbie, at her home and professing his love for her in Nihongo. To further express his feelings, Hiroshi kisses Adelina. On X, Barbie shared an anecdote about taping the scene. Actually, habang iniintay namin ni David ng magkakiss, bago lumabas si Sanya sa eksena, di ko sure kung dapat ba pumikit ako o dumilat kasi si David, nakadilat at nakatingin lang sakin. Buahahahahahaha. Barbie wrote. The Kapuso Primetime Princess added, nataranta si Self ng very light hahaha.